Day 19. Let's pause and look back at everything since day 11. You learned how to configure your algorithm, set cache, set start date, set end date, and set brokerage model. A few things are worth double checking before you move on. Set cache sets your starting capital for the backtest. If you don't set it, QuantConnect uses a default amount. Set start date and set end date define the time window your algorithm runs over. Get these wrong and your backtest either runs over the wrong period or doesn't run at all. Set brokerage model applies realistic fees and margin rules for a specific broker. Without it, your backtest assumes trading is free, which it never is. Before day 20, try the practice task below. In Initialize, set your starting cash to 100,000. Set your start date to January 1, 2020. Set your end date to December 31, 2020. And set your brokerage model to interactive brokers. That's day 19. See you at day 20.